Welcome back. Well, elections for 19 Rajya Sabha seats will be held today. The 19 seats are spread across 8 states, 4 each in Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh, 3 each in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, 2 in Jharkhand and 1 in Manipur, 1 in Meghalaya as well as 1 in Mizoram. The polling will begin in 20 minutes from now at 9 a.m. and conclude at 4 p.m. The counting of votes will be done at 5 p.m. this evening. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan are likely to see a close contest as the two parties, BJP and Congress, are engaged in a fierce battle to win maximum seats. The two states have in fact seen desertions by MLAs and resort politics by the BJP and the Congress. 4 Karnataka seats have already been taken unopposed. Dev Ankur is joining us live this morning with all the latest details. Dev, good morning. In the run-up to today, to polling, we've seen a lot of dramatic political developments in the state of Rajasthan. And today is essentially D-Day for both BJP and the Congress.
Absolutely. Good morning, Akshita. And as far as the numbers go, the Congress seems to be in a favorable position. The Congress in the Rajasthan Assembly on its own has 107 members. Apart from that, it has the support of 18 MLAs, including 13 independents. As far as the BJP is concerned, it has 72 of its own MLAs and has the support of 3 members of the Hanuman Beniwal-led RLP. But as far as the numbers go, the Congress will be able to sail through if everything goes according to Congress's plan. The Congress will get 2 seats, the BJP 1 seat, if there is no major defection per se. But this contest is one which is interesting and keenly watched out for, given the kind of allegations and counter-allegations that went thick and fast in the run-up to the elections. The Congress Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, had mentioned that bribery of 20 to 25 crore rupees were offered to MLAs of the Congress by the BJP. Both the parties, the Congress and the BJP, had holed up their MLAs at different resorts, and clearly both sides were trying to ensure that any possible attempt at poaching could be thwarted. So clearly a lot of allegations. The BJP mentioned that the Congress is not secure in itself, that it does not trust its MLAs. So the result will be interesting to watch out in the terms of if the Congress wins, what is the margin of victory, whether there is any defection or not, and if everything goes as per the plan or not. Akshita? All
right, Dev, thank you for those details. The most interesting battle, no doubt, is in the state of Rajasthan, where Dev is reporting from, and also in Gujarat.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.